Hello friends, welcome in Technotech. Today I will discuss Technician B Electrical ISRO recruitment paper conducted on 27 November 2016. So let's come on first question. First question is the permeability of material. The conductivity of magnetic material to magnetic lines of force. So correct answer is B. Next, the resistance value of carbon resistor having orange, red, brown and golden color band. Orange representing 3, red representing 2 and third band representing power and brown color representing 1, so 10 to power 1, and golden fourth band representing tolerance and golden representing 5% tolerance. So correct answer is 320 ohm 5%. A fuse should be connected in series with phase conductor. So correct answer is D. MCCB molded case circuit breaker. So correct answer is A. BIS code. The color of wire recommended for earth connection as per BIS code is green. So correct answer is B. Which gas is produced during charging of lead acid battery? During lead acid battery charging, hydrogen gas is produced. So correct answer is A. 120 ampere capacity battery can deliver a current of 8 ampere for a period. Simply 120 divided by 8, you got 15. So correct answer is B. A capacitor of capacitance 50 microfarad charged to a potential difference of 200 volt. Find out energy stored in condenser. To find out energy stored in a capacitor, simply its formula is 1 by 2 into C into my V square. So 1 by 2 into my 50 into my 200 square. You got 1 joule answer. Correct answer is 1 joule. Next question. Which among the following is the direction of flow of line of force around a bar of magnet? In a bar of magnet, magnetic line of force are flowing from north pole to south pole. So correct answer is D. Next question. The unit of reluctance. The formula of reluctance is number of turn into my current upon my magnetic flux. So to find current, the unit of current is ampere and unit of turns obviously turns, and flux is Weber. So correct answer is C, ampere turn per Weber. 11. The formula for determining resonant frequency FR of series RLC circuit is to finding resonant frequency of any tuned circuit. The formula is FR into my 1 upon 2 pi root LC. Any resonant circuit, even it is series or parallel. Next question. Alternating voltage and current are represented by a straight line with an arrow to represent the magnitude and direction. The representation is called any representation with magnitude and direction is called phasor diagram. So correct answer is phasor quantity B. The material used for doping to prepare n-type semiconductor. To making n-type semiconductor, we use material having 5 electrons in valence band. In these 4 options, arsenic having 5 electrons is valence band or outer band. So correct answer is C. The reverse breakdown phenomena in Zener diode is known as avalanche effect. So correct answer is A. Maximum number of light point allowed in a 5 ampere circuit is 10. 5 into 2. Next, the force required to move the pointer in indicating instrument is deflection force. Correct answer A. The formula to find EMF induced in DC generator is E into phi Zn upon 60 into my P upon A. So correct answer is A. This type of generator give a constant voltage output at the load. Its correct answer is level compound generator. Correct answer A. Next, for which one of the following application DC shunt motor is used? For machine tool drives. Correct answer D. Power P in three-phase circuit with 2 watt meter at unity power factor is W1 and W2 equal to W1 plus W2. Power added simply. If the secondary turn of transformer are doubled and at the same time primary voltage reduced to half, then secondary voltage will be if we double the secondary winding, then it's double the output, but at the same time we um reducing to half primary voltage, so it's reducing voltage 1 by 2, so they nullified each other effect. So correct answer is B, no change. Scott connection are used to transform three-phase supply into two-phase supply, so correct answer is D. Material used inside the breather to prevent moisture entering to the transformer. To prevent from moisture, we use silica gel because it absorbs moisture. So correct answer is C. The type of alternator used in hydroelectric power station is silent pole alternator. Correct answer B. The frequency FR of motor current in an induction motor is given by the expression FR equal to S into F. Correct answer is D. Next question. Total electrical degree for a 4-pole AC machine is equal to 18 to 4. 4-pole AC generator. 180 into 4. So correct answer is 720. Correct answer is C. Next, which of the following statement is false for skewing a motor bar in squirrel cage? It's prevent cogging. Obviously, it produce more uniform torque. It's correct. It reduce motor hum during its operation. Correct. It increase starting torque. No. So correct answer is B. Here I didn't mark it yellow, but actually I forget about it. But its correct answer is B. Next, synchronous capacitor. An ordinary static capacitor, an overexcited synchronous motor driving mechanical load, a overexcited synchronous motor running without mechanical load, an underexcited synchronous motor running without mechanical load. Its correct answer is C, overexcited synchronous motor running without mechanical load. Here I also forget to mark it yellow, but friend, its correct answer is C. Next, which of the following motors will give highest starting torque? Obviously, universal motor. Correct answer is B. Next, the diameter of conductor used in LT 660 volt grade power cable depends upon current to be carried. Friends, actually, not even in LT 660 volt. At every instant, if we talk about diameter, so it's mainly depend on current capacity. So in any case, if we talk about diameter of cable, it's mainly depend on current capacity. So correct answer is voltage required to operate a neon sign tube depends upon length of the tube. Correct answer A. In which type of AC to DC converter a efficiency is higher? Obviously solid state rectifier, because solid state, every solid state device is more efficient than mechanical or rotary device. So correct answer is D. In class B amplifier, the output current flow for half input cycle. Correct answer is C. An SCR start conducting with appreciable current when anode and gate both are positive. Correct answer is D. For high head and low discharge, the water turbine is used Pelton wheel. Correct answer is A. No lead test on a transformer is carried out. Uh, no load test on transformer is carried out to determine magnetizing current and no load loss. The correct answer is C. Friends, A answer is wrong because no load condition no copper loss. B also incorrect because in no load condition no copper loss. And D, efficiency of transformer in no load condition no copper loss. So A, B and D, these three are wrong. So only correct answer is the power factor at resonance in RLC circuit is unity because inductive reactance is equal to capacitive capacitive reactance. So our circuit become purely resistive and power factor become unity 1. Answer B is correct. Then next 38, which appliance work on heat effect of electric current? Obviously only toaster used to toast bread, so correct answer is D. For inductor, each of inductance 1 millihenry are connected in parallel and these combination is connected in series with two inductor, each of conductor of 1 milliampere. Calculate the equivalent inductor. Friends, if we talk about inductor, they are connected in parallel, then the resultant inductance is equal to resultant inductance equal to inverse algebraic sum of inverse of each inductance, and if they are connected in series then resultant inductance is algebraic sum of inductance. So for first four inductor which are connected in parallel, these inductance become 0.25, and then two inductor are in series 1 milliampere, so 2 milliampere, these 2 milliampere plus 0.25, so correct answer is 2.25. Correct answer is C. The burden of protective current transformer is specified in volt ampere. Not even current transformer, every transformer burden is specified in volt ampere. Next, in a synchronous motor, the magnitude of stator back EMF depend on DC excitation only. Correct answer is C. When running under no load condition and with overexcitation, armature current IA drawn by a synchronous motor. Its correct answer is leads the applied voltage. Correct answer is D. Here also I forget to mark it yellow. Sorry friends. Next, a 8-pole alternator rotates at 750 rpm. Its frequency is the formula for to find frequency is simply multiply speed in rpm with pole number divided by 120. So 750 into my 8 upon 120, you got 50. Next, for the speed control purpose, pole changing method can be adopted for squirrel cage induction motor. Correct answer is C. A 1000 watt heater is connected to a 240 volt AC supply. Then the current drawn by the heater is simplified. The formula of power is I into V. So divide 1000 watt with 240 volt, you get current value, that is 4.166 ampere. Next, in an open circuit, resistance is infinite and current is zero. So correct answer is D. Earth leakage circuit breaker work on the basis of residual current. Correct answer is A. The condition of electrolyte in a battery is measured in terms of specific density. Correct answer is D. B. Correct answer is B. Next, the force acting between two magnetic poles is inversely proportional to distance between them. Next, a bandpass filter is that which passes signal between two frequencies. So correct answer is C. Next, the line voltage EL in a star connection is equal to root 3 into EP. Correct answer is A. In order to increase the range of voltmeter, connect a high resistance in series. So correct answer is C. The wiring that need to be planned and executed along with building construction is conduited concealed wiring. So correct answer is D. Which one of the following three-phase motor is not self-starting? Synchronous motor is not self-starting. So correct answer is A. Which one of the following is a passive device? FET active device, SCR active device, BJT active device, air core inductor. It is a passive device. So correct answer is D. Next, if current is I and voltage V, then power is equal to, friends, the formula of power is I into V. So correct answer is D. Next, which type of fire extinguisher is suited for extinguishing electrical fire? Carbon dioxide fire. So correct answer is B. Water you can't use because of electric shock. And soda acid fire extinguisher you can't use because of acid. And foam type fire, obviously. So correct answer is B. Next, continuity of an electrical circuit is usually checked by ohm meter. What a nonsense question. The capacitance of capacitor is directly proportional to the area of plate. Formula if you have remembered. So correct answer is B. What is the form factor of pure sine wave is 1.11. Friend, that is the reason always you song on electrical power supply 11,000 volt and that thing. So form factor is 1.11. Correct answer is D. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. If you don't like my video, please comment and suggest me so I can improve my videos. Thank you.